of transportation. What is the spelling of transportation? TRANS, trans, POR, for, TATION, transportation. Okay, what is the meaning of transportation? What is transportation? Transportation means carrying people or goods from one place to another. What is the meaning of transportation? Transportation means to take people from one place to another or to carry goods, things from one place to another. That is the meaning of transportation. Okay. What is transportation? Transportation means to take people from one place to another or to take goods or things from one place to another. See in the picture you can see first picture is of a bus stop. कौन सा प्लेस है ये? बस स्टॉप है. तो देखो यहाँ पे बस खड़ी है और लोग बस के अंदर जा रहे. They are going inside the bus because they have to go to some other place. Okay, so if we have to go to some other place, if we have to travel from one place to another, that is the meaning of, that is known as transportation. ठीक है, अगर हमें एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाना है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. If we have to take some goods, take some things, हमें कुछ सामान एक जगह से दूसरे जगह लेके जाना है, that is the meaning of, that is known as transportation. Okay, understood everybody? What is the meaning of transportation? What is transportation? Aradhya More, unmute करो. Yes, Aradhya, read what is written on the screen. आराध्या का कभी आवाज नहीं आता ठीक से. इसाक अनम्यूट करो. आइजैक.
Yes, teacher.
Read what is written on the screen. Read करो क्या लिखा है स्क्रीन में.
What is transportation?
पढ़ो क्या लिखा है. What is transportation?
What is transportation?
स्क्रीन पे देखो क्या लिखा है. What is transportation?
आंसर देखना नीचे. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज,
transportation is
मीन्स रे.
means
आगे बढ़.
means
Carrying
a person,
carrying people or
on goods, good from one place to another place.
So what is transportation? Transportation means to carry people or goods or things. If we have to carry some things from one place to another, if we have to send a कोई सामान हमें एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पहुंचाना है, so that is the meaning of transportation, to carry people or goods from one place to another. Okay, understood, Isaac? What is transportation? Transportation means to carry people or to carry goods from one place to another. Now, what are the types of transportation? There are 3 types of transportation. कितने types हैं transportation के? 3 हैं. क्या है? Land, air and water. Okay, there are three types of transportation: land transportation, air transportation, and water transportation. Means we use vehicles in these three types of transportation. We can move from one place to another through land. We can move from one place to another through air also. We can move from one place to another through water. Okay, we can use these three things, land, air, and water, to go from one place to another, or to carry the goods, or to carry our things from one place to another. Okay, what are the three types of transportation? Three types of transportation are land, air, and water. Land, we can go through roadways. Roadways, अगर हम लोग by car जाते हैं तो we use land transportation. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग if we go in car runs on the road, so that is a land transportation. Air transportation, aeroplane, we use aeroplane, right? We catch the flight, we catch the plane to go from one place to another. That is air transportation. Water transportation, we go by ship, we catch boat, we catch ship to go from one land to another land. So that is water transportation. Okay, how many types of transportation are there? Everybody show your three fingers. सब लोग अपना three fingers दिखाओ मुझे. Show your three fingers. How many types of transportation are there? Everybody repeat after me. Wait a second. कि मैं unmute करो.
Yes, teacher.
Show your three fingers. Now after repeat after me. How many types of transportation are there?
Land,
Air,
air,
and water.
and water.
Everybody repeat after me. After me, how many types of transportation are there? Kimya?
Land, air, and water.
Land, air, and water. How many types of transportation happen? Three types of transportation are there. Okay. Land, air, and water. In land, again there are two types of transportation: roadways and railways. ठीक है, लैंड में कौन से होते हैं? बाय वी कैन ट्रैवल थ्रू रोड ऑल्सो, वी कैन ट्रैवल थ्रू रेल ऑल्सो. ठीक है, रेलवे भी, ट्रेन कहाँ पे चलती है? पटरी के ऊपर चलती है. पटरी कहाँ पे हम लोग लगाते हैं? ऑन द लैंड. जमीन के ऊपर हम लोग पटरी लगाते हैं ना. सो इन लैंड देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन: रोडवे एंड रेलवे. आइदर वी कैन गो थ्रू रोड, हम लोग रोड यूज करके हम लोग एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जा सकते हैं, और वी कैन कैच ट्रेन टू गो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो रोडवे एंड रेलवे बोथ कम अंडर लैंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? These are the three types of transportation: land, air, and water. See, we use three types of transportation: land, air, and water. In that, land transportation is used to travel for short distance. अगर हमें अभी मुझे अगर समझो मार्केट जाना है. Okay, if I have to go to market, if I have to go to station, then I will use land transportation. मैं रिक्शा पकड़ूंगी और मैं सीधा बाजार पहुंच जाऊंगी. ठीक है, सो लैंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस. मींस अगर हमें शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना है, बाजू में ही जाना है, इफ यू हैव टू गो टू नियर बाय प्लेस ओनली, इफ यू हैव टू गो टू some other city, if I have to go now, suppose if I have to travel from here to Badlapur, I will go through road. ठीक है, I'll go through. If I have to come to Badlapur, I can catch rickshaw or I can catch a train. Okay, so train and rickshaw both comes under land transportation. So land transportation is used if we have to travel short distance. अगर हमें if we have to go to nearby place only, if we have to go to nearby city only, we can use land transportation. अगर हमें दूर नहीं जाना है तो हम लोग land transportation use कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Air and water transportation is used if we have to go far away. ठीक है, हमें बहुत दूर जाना है तो हम कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन यूज करेंगे? एयर एंड वाटर. सपोज I have to go to some other country. मुझे कुछ कोई दूसरे कंट्री में जाना है, सपोज अमेरिका में जाना है, दुबई जाना है. So can I catch rickshaw? I can't catch rickshaw to go to Dubai, right? आराध्या पांडे अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, teacher.
Raja, suppose I have to go to Dubai or America. Will I catch rickshaw? No, ना?
No.
नहीं, मैं रिक्शा नहीं पकड़ सकती. अगर मुझे कोई दूसरे कंट्री में जाना है तो क्या कहते हैं?
Aeroplane.
Yes, aeroplane. Now aeroplane कहाँ फ्लाई करता है?
What, teacher?
कहाँ पे फ्लाई करता है?
Sky में.
Sky में. Means aeroplane can move in the air. Aeroplane हवा में चलता है, right? It is one of the air transportation we use. So suppose if I have to go to some other country, I will use air transportation. I have to catch a plane, and plane comes under air transportation. So if I have to go to far away places, मुझे कोई बहुत बड़ा डिस्टेंस कवर करना है, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना है, बहुत दूर जाना है, then which transportation I will use? I will use either air transportation or water transportation. देखो, बड़ी बड़ी
Teacher, Harsha teacher, there are two anugrahas. Okay, one left.
Foreign teacher, the anugrah which is renamed properly, na, please admit that only.
Okay. Please continue.
Yes. So in water transportation also the big ships, जो बड़ी ship रहती हैं, cruise रहती हैं, they also go from one place to another. Okay. So जो बड़ी शिप रहती हैं, बड़ी क्रूज रहती हैं, तो वो भी क्या, वो they also go from one country to another. We can use ship also, we can use big ships, we can use big cruise to go to some other country. You know, big ships, बड़ी ships जो रहती हैं, बड़ी क्रूज जो रहती हैं, वो एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री ट्रैवल करती है. So we can use water transportation also to travel to long distance, to travel far away places. We can use which transportation we can use? We can use air and water transportation to travel far away. If you have to go to some other country, then you can use air and water transportation. If you have to travel nearby places, समझो यहाँ से आपको कल्याण आना है, बदलापुर से कल्याण आना है या बदलापुर से थाना जाना है, then you can use land transportation. Distance short है ना, बाजू में ही है. So if we have to travel to nearby places, we can use land transportation. If we have to travel far away places, we can use air and water transportation. Okay. Understood, everybody? Okay, Akshat, unmute karo.
Yes, teacher.
Akshat, if I have to travel to nearby places, which transportation I will use?
Auto.
So auto,
Taxi.
auto rickshaw will come in which type of transportation?
Land transportation.
Land transportation. Very good. So if I have to travel to nearby places, I will use land transportation. Okay, if I have to go to nearby places, then I will use land transportation. Okay, now if I have to go to far away places, अगर मुझे बहुत दूर जाना है, बहुत दूर travel करना है, तो मैं कौन सा transportation use करूँगी?
टीचर मैंने ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बनाई
क्या?
मैंने ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बनाई
Good, you have made greeting card. But मैं अभी जो question पूछ रही हूँ उसका answer मुझे बताओ. If I have to travel to far away places, which transportation I will use?
फार बस
बहुत दूर जाना है,
Train.
दूसरे कंट्री में जाना है, तो मैं कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन यूज करूंगी?
एरोप्लेन
एरोप्लेन कौन से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में आएगा? कौन से टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में आएगा एरोप्लेन?
एयर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन
Air transportation or water transportation. I can use air and water transportation to travel to long distance. अगर मुझे दूसरे कंट्री में जाना है, बहुत दूर जाना है, then I will use air and water transportation. Okay? Saras, unmute करो.
Yes.
Saras, how many types of transportation are there?
3
What are they?
land air water
Land, air, and water. Okay. Good. ठीक है. Okay. Understood, everybody? What is transportation? Transportation means to carry people or goods from one place to another. अगर हमें एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाना है या हमें हमारा सामान एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पहुंचाना है, that is the meaning of transportation. Transportation means to carry, to take people from one place to another or to take goods from one place to another place. Understood, everybody? Anugrah, unmute karo.
yes teacher
Anugrah, what is transportation?
transportation means carrying people or goods from one place to another
Okay, transportation means to take people from one place to another or to take goods from one place to another. Okay,
yes
good. How many types of transportation are there, Anugrah? कितने टाइप्स के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होते हैं?
1 minute water sorry 5
5 types of transportation are there?
yes
No. How many types of transportation are there? How many types of transportation are there? Okay, tell me which are the 5 types of transportation?
water land air railway roadway railway
Anugrah, एक मिनट यहाँ पे समझो, रेलवे और रोडवे that comes under land transportation only. That are not types of, वो types of transportation नहीं है, वो land के अंदर और दो सब type है, ठीक है? They are not the main types of transportation. Main types of transportation are only 3: land, air, and water. under land के below there are two types of transportation, roadway and railway. ठीक है?
Yes.
अगर मैं पूछती हूँ what are the types of transportation, you have to only answer air, water and land transportation. Okay?
Yes.
अगर मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे पूछूंगी which are the two types of land transportation, then you can tell railway and road.
Roadway, railway.
They are the land. They are the types of land transportation. ठीक है?
Yes.
अगर मैं पूछती हूँ which are the three types of transportation, there are only three types of transportation: land, air, and water. Okay, don't get confused, children. Roadway and railway are the types of land transportation. Roadway और railway कौन से टाइप के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है? लैंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के टाइप्स है. But if I will ask you which are the three types of transportation, you will tell land, air and water only. Okay? Chalo. Understood everybody what is transportation? What is the meaning of transportation? We'll do till here only.